The feeling is changed, it's far from the same. I need to get back to the basics.
Hey y'all, what's up? It's Tay Bryce and I'm back with another video. So today I'm doing, I guess, a vlog style or a more casual type of video. But today I'm going to be doing an apple cider vinegar rinse or LOC detox. My hair was retwisted like what? I want to say like 2-3 weeks ago is when I retwisted my hair. I'm trying to debate on whether or not I want to retwist my hair after this. I don't know. We'll see how I feel once I'm done. Alrighty y'all, so I have already gone to the store and I have picked up everything that I need to do this detox for my hair. I am very excited. I'm excited to see what the water's gonna look like after I'm done. I'm not measuring out anything, so I'm just gonna like pour it in there and hope it works out. But I don't see why I wouldn't. This is my hair before. Hopefully the lighting is not too terrible. I haven't really seen any locks that have like a lot of buildup, but I do have a lock back here. There are some spots. I have picked some lint out of these locks in the back. Yeah, you can see the same thing on this side. I try my best to keep my hair lint free, but this is the last row of my hair, so these locks are always rubbing on my clothes, so it's kind of inevitable. But I mean, it's fine. It doesn't bother me too much just because they are in the back of my head. But other than that, I'm not sure if there are more like down here at the bottom. I don't think so. It's mainly just this back row right here that has like lint and some buildup in it. Alrighty, so I have my ingredients here. So we'll start by shaking this up. I look like Medusa. I love it. Alrighty, so I am going to set a 15-minute timer. So far, I don't know. We'll see. All right, so 15 minutes is up. I wrapped my hair up and I am going to dump the water and fill it back up. So this is what the water looks like now. It definitely looks cloudier than when I first put my hair in there, as to be expected. I wanted to show you guys all the stuff that is still at the bottom of the bowl that came out. Oh my gosh. Alrighty, second round. Ooh. Oh. Feels much more relaxing than the first time. I hear a lot of bubbling. And yeah. I'm gonna set the timer for another 15 minutes. I think this one will be much more relaxing than the last time. The first time I did it, the water was like kind of cold. So I will be back in 15 minutes, and then once I am done, I will hop in the shower and actually wash my hair. Alright guys, so I just finished the second rinse, and this is what the water looks like afterwards. It looks pretty much like this the first time I did it. Alright, and this is what's left at the bottom. Alrighty guys, so my overall review of the whole apple cider vinegar rinse was okay. I feel like my hair was definitely lighter at the end of the rinse, and it did feel cleaner, but I don't feel like it really did anything significant for my hair. As for the locks in the back row of my head that have the lint in them, the lint was still there after I did the rinse, and I expected that. I didn't really expect the rinse to get rid of any lint that was like locked into my hair, so the lint's just gonna be there. But as far as buildup, I feel like I didn't really have any buildup in my hair, not that I could tell. I use minimal product, and the most that I'll use is like edge control on my edges and occasional aloe vera gel to retwist. I definitely will be doing the ACV rinse again, and if you guys have watched to the end of the video, let me know what you think about the ACV rinse. Do you feel like it did anything significant for your hair if you already did it? Leave me a comment down below. But that is all I have for this video, so I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!